10 Best SEO Tips for Your Website. Keyword research. Use relevant, high-traffic keywords. Quality content. Create valuable, engaging content. Mobile optimization. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Page speed. Improve loading times for better user experience. Meta tags. Optimize titles, descriptions, and headers. Internal linking. Link to relevant pages within your site. Backlinks. Earn quality backlinks from reputable sites. User experience. Focus on a clean, intuitive site design. Social media. Promote content on social platforms. Analytics. Track performance and adjust strategies. Optimize your SEO today.